Morning, class.
Morning.
First official day of classes, right? Welcome to the Anchorage Police Department. Working in Anchorage and having the support that we do is just something that a lot of police departments, and specifically police officers, don't get the opportunity. You guys represent 1/2% of the American population. The men and women that can show up every day, serve their public, sacrifice yourself for people you don't even know. We are all they got. And so that means each one of our contacts has to be the absolute best we can do every day, over and over. What you look like between now and the end of the academy are going to be two completely different things. And sometimes this job isn't easy, but we're always going to do the right thing, no matter who's looking. This community is the best community to work for, without question.